Hello everybody, Teresa here, and today my point of this short live is to share with you what happened to me not so long ago, actually a couple of minutes ago, and it was I felt like I have to go live and I have to clarify certain things for you guys because I'm sure that there are people it will help a lot. So the thing is that I got an advice from someone that I should stop using the word Tantra masseuse or masseur, and instead I should start using a new word, masseuring. I say new word because I never heard about it. Now, the point is, if I do sport massage, I am masseuse. If I do lomi massage, I am masseuse. If I do another kind of massage, I am masseuse, or masseur if you are male, right? So why I should not be a Tantra masseuse if I do Tantra massage? I do massage, I am masseuse, not a masseurin. Or how is it pronounced? It doesn't matter. So the point is, if I do Tantra massage, I am proud to be a Tantra masseuse. Why? Because I do a real stuff. The point behind that is not as that bad, because a lot of prostitutes and a lot of erotic salons, they are using Tantra massage because it's exotic and it brings money. So the person, or we want to differentiate ourselves, right? That you want to show people that you are the one who does the real stuff, right? So then I need to differentiate myself, so I start using a new word. Correct? Now, listen carefully. If you start using a new word, you will have to do this thing in a couple of years again, because you are running. You are running. You are not taking responsibility. You are running. So why the prostitutes are using Tantra? They are Tantra masseuses because it's exotic and it works. So if we start using a new word, masseurin, hello Marco, if we will start using a new word, masseurin, in a couple of several years, Tantra or the prostitutes will start a new word, Tantra masseurin, because it will bring more money. They are not stupid, they see that. The solution is we have to show people together, guys, what is Tantra massage, what is real Tantra massage. Because if you are a real Tantra masseuse, if you do the real stuff, the real clients will come to you always, no matter if you are masseuse or masseurin. You will bring them by what you share, what you emit, right? Does it make sense? So do not run somewhere else. Stand up, show it. Okay? It's with everything else, guys. Don't run from responsibilities. Don't run from the problems. And I know what I'm talking about. And if my coach Daniela is just watching or will watch, she confirmed that I did the same thing. I stopped running and start facing the problems and working on them. So the point is, guys, you can be sure if you do the real stuff, you will get what you need, what you want. The real people, the good people, not the fake ones, not the people, the men in my case, who are just wanting a happy ending and what else, right? No. With me, you can be sure that if you learn how to do Tantra massage, how to become a Tantra masseuse, sorry, I just was reading exactly. Tantra is not selling sex. Be very clear. Exactly. Just it's abused for that, right? So my mission, my point is, guys, to show you what the hell Tantra massage really is. Who is real Tantra masseuse or masseur? And therefore, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you, to teach you, so you can be sure if you study with me, if you learn with me, you will get the real stuff. you will be the real Tantra masseuse or masseur, and you will know how to do the real Tantra massage. So no worry, guys, with me you don't have to run anywhere else for another word, and in a couple of years another word, because it will be used in prostitution and somewhere there erotic services and so on. Because with me you will attract the real people, and you will know what you are doing, why you are doing it, and that's it actually. So join me. I have prepared a new workshop, how to become Tantra masseuse or masseur. So join me for that. I will show it soon. Post it soon. It will be a little bit different. It will be very personalized. It will be on the Zoom, so if you want to interact with me live, you can ask me questions live. I will share you everything, guys. What is Tantra massage? What are the differences? Who is Tantra masseuse or masseur, the real one? What are the benefits? How the session looks like? What is the interview? The questions? How to ask? What to ask? The pricing. To don't undercharge yourself if you want to become the Tantra masseuse, or also for you guys if you are going for Tantra massage. It's very important, the price. Don't undercharge or don't overpay in some case. So I'm going to show you everything, and also some tips for the opening of the Tantra massage, Q&A, everything for that. I have prepared it yesterday. I will post it soon here. You can start registering yourself, because it's for register. So, and we will change that and we will make it together. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope it clarified a lot of things and maybe destroyed some fears, or I don't know. Just make sure that with me you are getting the real stuff, and you don't have to be worried about anything. You will get the right thing, right clients, right people in your life. Mwah!